friends, today we're going to be working on Unit 4, Lesson 14, page 194. And if you're wondering, I did tear this page out. That's why it looks like it's in the wrong spot. At least it does to me. We are looking at word problems again. And just like the last time that we worked together, we're doing addition and subtraction. So we're going to have to really look closely at those signal words. And for those signal words to decide if it's addition or subtraction. We're doing this whole page today, so if you'd like to work with me, I'm going to solve 2 of them with you, and then you're going to solve the last 2 by yourself. I want to see all 4 of the equations and the work that you did to solve them. If you want to work on your own, you are welcome to do that, and jump over to iReady when you are finished with your work and you've turned it in on Seesaw. All right, so let's get started. We're starting with number 13, and if you're wondering why it's number 13, it's because we did lesson 14 before, and we're doing lesson 14. This is a continuation of it, and I'm just trying to take it nice and slow so that we make sure to get mastery of these and not just rush through all these lessons. And so this right here, pardon me, this is number 12 right here, and so number 13 is the same lesson right there. And this is almost my name, but this is not how we spell my name. I am T-A-M-A-R-A. This is Tamyra. So Tamyra bakes 48 muffins on Monday. On Tuesday, she bakes 24 muffins. How many muffins does she bake during those 2 days? So what do you think? Is this addition or subtraction? Are we going to plus this or are we going to minus this? Go ahead and unmute yourself and let me know. Yes, we are putting these together. This is a put together problem because we're taking what she made on Monday and on Tuesday, and we're going to put those together to see how many muffins she has total. So we are going to add these ones. So this is plus. So let me get my pen out here because you know me, I like to work on a separate page. And I'm going to just pop this right over here. Hopefully you can still see that. I don't think we need it so much anymore. We're doing all 4 of these though, just a reminder. So number 13, and I'm sorry this has like the stuff from last time. Let's see if I flip this over. Might not be as bright. Yeah, look at that, we'll do that. So number 13 has 48 plus 24. Okay, this is a big enough number that we're adding to 48. 24 is big enough that we're not going to count up on our fingers. That's just too much. So what we're going to do is we're going to add this together starting with the 8 and the 4. So tell me in the chat, what is 8 plus 4? All right, so 8 plus 4, you guys told me, is 12. We're going to put our 2 down here because that's our 1s. If we look at 12, this is our 1s and this is our 10s. And our 10s need to go with the 10s, so we're going to put our new 10 up there. And now we're going to add 1 plus 4 plus 2. 1 10 plus 4 10s plus 2 10s. What is 1 plus 4 plus 2 more equal? Thank you. Yeah, we're at 72. All right, so that's all you need to do for number 13. Number 14. Mrs. Jennings gets 75 new books for the class library. She places 37 of them on the shelf. How many new books are left to place on the shelf? So the question says, how many books are left? So how many, whoops, come on, cooperate, pen. How many are left to place on the shelf? So is this plus or minus? Yep, it's minus because we're separating two groups. So we have 75 and we took 37 of them away. And how many of them are left? Well, let's do some subtraction and find out. So we're going to put the total, the bigger number, up on top. 75 minus 37. Your equation should look just like mine. We don't do it the long ways, we always do it up and down. Once again, we are taking away way too many of these to count backwards, so we're gonna have to do some solid subtraction strategies. Can we take away 5 minus 7? If we have 5, can I give away 7? You are correct. This number is smaller than that number, so we are going to have to do some ungrouping, just like what we did last time. Put my line down there. And the first thing I'm going to do is go next door and take one of the 10s from this 7. So cross out that 7. That leaves 6 10s over there. And now I have my new 10 I'm going to add to that 5. 10 plus 5 is 15. Can I subtract now? So first I'm going to subtract 15 minus 7, then 6 minus 3. Go ahead and put the answer in chat when you have it. All right, 15 minus 7, goodness, is 8. 6 minus 3 is 3, and so many of you put 38 into the chat. All right, I'm going to go ahead and read these last two for anybody who does not have their packet yet. If you don't have your packet, encourage your parents to help you grab it, or call the school, or let me know that you need to have it delivered. It's important that you have the work and your materials with you every day. All right, Isaac has 64 toy cars. 25 of them are in a box. How many are not in the box? So are we taking this set apart or putting it together? We are taking it apart, yeah. So if we're taking it apart, it's going to be minus, yes. And the next one says, in June, Sarah reads, I'm actually just gonna wait. If you're doing this on your own and you have not finished with this one yet, and you're not ready for me to read this, go ahead and pause the video until you finish this one so I can go ahead and read this one. In June, Sarah reads 18 books. In July, she read 35 books. How many books does she read in June and July? So she read 18 in June, 35 in July. If we put it together, how many did she read? Is this going to be subtraction? Oh, this pen is not cooperating. Subtraction or addition? Yeah, we're putting them together, so it is addition. Go ahead and solve this whole page, take a picture of it, and make sure and share it with me.